If space is limited, building a compact bug-out bag doesn't mean compromising on essentials. Let's explore how to pack a small but effective survival kit for tight spaces. Start with the basics: water, food, and tools. Use compact options like purification tablets instead of bulky filters, energy bars over cans, and a versatile multi-tool to save space. Shelter is crucial, even in a compact kit. A lightweight emergency blanket and a small tarp can provide warmth and protection without taking up much room. Don't skip first aid. Include a travel-size first aid kit and any medications your family might need. Finally, prioritize weight and accessibility. A compact bug-out bag is perfect for urban settings, apartments, or even as a secondary emergency kit for your vehicle. Preparedness is about smart choices, not space. Build a bag that works for you and your environment. Hey, if you like this video and want more info on this topic, click on this video here. You can also get more life-saving information at isurvivethrive.com. Don't forget to subscribe to our I Survive Thrive YouTube channel. Check the description below for helpful links.